name is Mai, Lao girl, but I live in Thailand. Welcome to my first cooking video. Today we cooking Lao food, and before we cooking, we go to market together. Let's go. Papaya, 10 baht. They buy shrimp for put in ส้มตำ half kilogram. Now open เปิดกุ้งแกะกุ้ง You know this like this for put in ส้มตำ Today I cooking my favorite food ส้มตำ or papaya salat or in Lao say ตำมะคุง Here I show you. I'm using tomato. I'm using chili. And this what English? กระเทียม Thailand is กระเทียม and lemon. Then sugar. And this isปลาร้า water. And this ผงชูรส I don't know English. And this is a papaya for cooking. This is a vegetable. It with ส้มตำ make more yummy. Pala. I don't know English. We have to find English name from this. Pala. Thai people say. Or Lao say ปลาแดก And now I open my papaya. Before cooking, I have to open first. Little bit red color going to ready for it. Dip for and make ส้มตำEvery Malaga different color and taste different. This is a little bit sweet from Malaga. This color more sweet little bit. Now I cleaning vegetable. When I eat sometimes I like to eat with vegetable. It's more yummy. This is Thai name or Lao name called the same ดอกกระเจียว Same the flower but can eat, can find from nature. From the big wood you can find this. I want to put this in hot water. First, better eat with make hot in water first. And gung, shrimp, the same. I put in hot water only. Then can better eat, not this. I like this smell. When I get this smell, I feel missing my hometown. And I cooking this in hot water, not about 5 minutes only. Finished now. Yeah. Not so long, but color still green. take it out. Oh yes, I love this smell. And I put this gung. Only short, not too long. I change color, then can finish. Okay, then finish. So now I'm ready to cooking. Show to you. Okay, first we put chili. This before we put the cooking, I put this out first. Then can put here inside. You can put as you want to make more spicy or not spicy. But I like more spicy, so I put more chili inside. Okay, finish chili, and this Thai call kathiam. Put as you want, as you like. Put inside. Then I like to put sugar together. Little bit. I like sweet, and maybe I put more later. And this phồng chu rốt make more yummy. I put little bit. Okay. And let's start. Finish like this, then enough. And I put this is tomato, 3 tomatoes. This lemon. Only one side from lemon. Some people take it out. Some people put inside. Pala. This. Then about 3. If not enough, you can put more later. This. And this. Okay, before I put, I want to taste first how good. I like more sugar, but I put little bit sugar. Okay, and now I put papaya inside. Yeah. Then I do the same. And then I put this. Put gung inside. And do the same. The last one. And don't wondering why I sit on the floor, because Lao people like to cooking and sit on the floor like this, and some people or Thai people do the same. Some families, some people do that. And now I try again. How yummy! Okay, now it's finished. Okay, now finish. I take on the table. Normally, somtam is a vegetarian, without not put gung or shrimp or something inside, but you can put as you want, as you like to put inside. And Lao people like to eat sticky rice with using hand. Eat with hand like this. Yummy. Vegetable. Yummy. This. Cool. Very yummy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, give me this. When you like to see more my cooking video, comment on my video. Want to see more cooking from me? Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. โชคดี Thailand